Hello everyone. Daily Arts by Rahul. Subscribe and enjoy watch my video. Like and share your friend. One, rainbow pillows, soft and bright. 2. Bring a burst of color to the night. 3. Snuggled close, in dreams they soar. 4. On rainbow arcs, to magical shores. 5. Each hue is a promise, a dreamy sight. 6. Tender comfort throughout the night. 7. Little hands trace the colors, with glee. 8. As they drift off to sleep, happy and free. 9. Cozy and plush, beneath their head. 10. Rainbow pillows for toddlers, a cozy bedspread. Let's draw a painting color, light green. Let's draw a painting color, orange. Let's draw a painting color, pink. Let's draw a painting color, yellow. Let's draw a painting color, yellow. Let's draw a painting color, blue.